All right, so we're going to be looking at this. Still, we're going to use word problems. We're going to be using word problems for proportion. So we got to set this thing straight. Okay, it was easy when the fractions were given. So here, Barbara's income varies directly with the number of hours she works. Barbara makes $45 for 5 hours of work. Okay, so let me just write that down. I'm going to say $45, it's equal to 5 hours of work. And I'm going to make two fractions. How much will Barbara make if she works 7 hours? Okay, so I'm going to say X many dollars because I don't know how much, right? It says how much will she make? X many dollars is equal to 7 hours. Now here, the dollar signs cancel out, the hours cancel out. So I have 45 over X is equal to 5 over 7. Well, let's see, let's figure out. Cross multiplied, I'm gonna get that 5X, right? Because I just went 5 times X is equal to, now on the other side, I have to go 45 times 7. 45 times 7 is 315. Now let me divide both sides by 5, right? I divide by the number in front of X. X is equal to 63. So in 7 hours, Barbara is going to make $63. Let's take a look at number 20. Linda's buying medicine and candy at a pharmacy. The cost of everything Linda buys is $50. The pharmacy then adds an extra 8% sales tax. How much is this sales tax? So we're going to see. So 100%, because remember the cost of everything Linda buys is $50. So I'm going to say 100% is equal to $50. Now we know that 8% is going to be added for sales tax. Now question here is how much is this sales tax? One thing that's very important. If I just want to know how much is the sales tax, I'm going to say 8% is equal to X dollars, right? If I'm just interested in the sales tax, I'm just interested in the tax, 8%. If I'm interested in how much is she paying for everything, it will be 108%. Now 108% because it's the 100%, whatever she's buying, plus the taxes. So it's 108. Here I'm just interested in the taxes. So let me write this thing down only. If I want to know taxes only, right? Just taxes only. I'm interested in finding out what's 10%. Now, if I want to know taxes, and let me use this symbol for and the purchase. So I'm interested in knowing how much she pays for everything. That will be 108%. And the reason why I'm saying this is in case you guys go to the store, are you interested in how much is just the taxes or how much is everything with taxes included? Okay, so now in this case, percentage cancel out, the dollar symbols cancel out. So I'm just gonna go 100 times X. It's equal to 50 times 8. Let me divide both sides by 100. And X is equal to 4. So $4, that's how much she pays in taxes. Oops, let's take a look. Question number 21. A 4 feet tall petrified stump standing next to a tree casts a 3 feet shadow. Okay, so what does this thing say? There's something that is standing up and it's 4 feet tall. when I use this symbol for feet. And he has a shadow that is 3 feet tall. Maybe the shadow is a little bit smaller. Let's do about here. Interesting that, let me connect this so I see this as a triangle, right? When we connect these 2 points, I see as a triangle. Now there is a tree that is 16 feet tall. Then how long is the shadow? So we have a tree here that is 16 feet tall, and in the shadow, I'm gonna say it is X, because I don't know. And I'm gonna cross that side, so it's based on the small triangle, my 4 and my 3, let me make a fraction, 4/3. Right, 4 feet and 3 feet. So as a matter of fact, let me write all of it. So I'm gonna write 4 feet over 3 feet. If you guys notice, I went height over shadow. So based on the other triangle, let me go 16 feet over X feet. Height over shadow. Now my measurements of feet cancel all the way across. So let me cross multiplied. 4 times X, it's 4X. 16 times 3 is 48. Let me divide both sides by 4. 48 divided by 4 is 12. So the shadow of the tree is going to be 12 feet. Same idea. Let's take a look at number 22. An adult giraffe that is 16 feet tall casts a shadow that is 8 feet long. So here's the giraffe, 16 feet. And I'm going to say it has a shadow that is 8 feet. Cool. Let me see this as a triangle. Find the height of a globe that makes a 1-foot shadow. So there's a globe that I'm going to say it is X feet tall, and it has a shadow of 1 foot. So based on the first triangle, I'm going to write 16 feet over 8 feet. Notice I went height over shadow. So based on the second triangle, let me go X feet over 1 foot. Feet cancel all the way across. Now when I cross multiplied, I'm gonna get 8 times X is equal to 16. Right, I just cross multiplied. Let me divide by 8. So X is equal to 2. So the height of the globe will be 2 feet.